Hi friends, namaste, good morning, welcome to the morning rituals. So friends, yesterday I was telling how to come out of the negative emotions, right? So today we learn what we have to do to come out of the negative emotions, right? So friends, nowadays people are stuck up in the, for example, let's say uh, there is a white screen, and on that white screen, if there's a black spot, we all are. That is how like human being are. They are very good at finding that black spot, but they are neglecting the whole white canvas. Similarly, in our life, situations are there which are not in our control. But again, how do we react towards it is very, very important. Jack Canfield always says E plus R is equals to O. So events plus response gives you the outcome. So events are not in our control, but response towards it is always in our control. And that decides the outcome. So let us say, friends, there is a corona time. So what one can do in the corona time? Now some may say, corona time, what to do, what to do, what to do. Some may say, okay, let's work out what are the pending works. So what you all can do, my friend, task for today is I want you all to make a list of all the messes which are there. Incomplete things. It may be in everybody's home, the diaries are there. 10 to 12 or more diaries are there, which are written for one page or two page or five pages, not full. So take the diaries, number them one by one, and then complete them one by one, maybe one task. Similarly, there are many books which has been taken, started two page, three page, and then they are left. Then some new book has been started. Again, four, five, 6 pages left like that. So you can make a list of notebook, books which you are reading, just arrange them. Arrange them. Maybe a banking work. Accounts are opened, but never paid attention on it. Right? So maybe they are of no use. So clear up your messes. Clear all the messes. Forget about the negativity, forget about the positivity. Okay. Remove all the messes in the life, step by step. So make a huge list, right? The works which are pending, make a list of it. Okay, somewhere you must have purchased the land, right? But the any work is not done, land has not come on your name, so you have just done the registry, the complete work is not done, right? Someone, you have done the email communication and they have sent you some response, but you have not responded to the email. Possible. Okay, there may be a laptop which is running slow, but you are not getting time to fix it. Go to the laptop wala or the computer repairing shop, fix up the timing, and go for the SSD. Change change it to SSD, solid state drive. Just find out the options. Increase the RAM, format the system. Find out. Okay, mobile is there. A lot of WhatsApp messages are there. Mobile is getting hanged. Okay, memory is very less. Very frequently it is getting off and on, right? So just call, just format it or see how it can be done, uncluttering. Okay, relationships, many people are there whom you have never called. Find out the name, find out the numbers, call them, talk to them, find out. There are so many things which are pending in the life, right? So clean up all the messes, unclutter and clear the things. There are so many books which you are not using at all the dust is coming out. Okay, so what do you do? Go and buy the boxes, the books which you are not going to read for the next 1 month or 2 months or 1 year. Put all the books in the boxes. Keep only 5 6 books which you are going to read in this month. Once these 6 books are done, remove the other 6 books. It's not a library now. If you have a big home and one separate room for the library, then definitely do that. Okay, clear up all the messes. It can be anything. Find out the dresses which are there in the cupboard, maybe 20 shirts which you are not using. So this week which you are going to use. Okay, so this week 7 dresses I'm going to use. Keep everything aside. You might have 7 to 8 shoes which you are not using very frequently. Okay, so find out which one you're going to use it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Rest keep aside. Unclutter your life, my dear friends. Until and unless you have uncluttered the life, it is very, very difficult to see the clarity. Like I have these glasses, right? I have this glass, okay? And if there is a water on this glass, maybe rainy season, a lot of water, or maybe a foam, or maybe something on this glass, I can't see the things. Similar way, many of the times in the life, there is a lot of cluttering around us. And that cluttering is not allowing us to see throughout. So it is our very, very important responsibility to do the uncluttering. Okay. So topic for today is clear up all your messes, unclutter the things. Okay. That's all for the day. Do it. Share your learnings. That's all for the day. Thank you so much, dear friends. Thank you.